Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 529 within Roblox. So basically this is not how the error code looks. It's quite annoying because sometimes you're playing Roblox and you get the error code. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. Error code 529. And usually when you tap on retry, the same error code pops up. So basically that means that they are having, as they say, technical difficulties. So Roblox or the game, so the game that you try to join has technical difficulties. So basically what that means is that you cannot join that game or not join any game on Roblox because they have difficulties in their technology. So basically they are having problems that they cannot solve, or currently they are working on it, but you cannot join the game at this moment. Basically what you need to do is waiting. So there aren't any other options. Maybe what you can try is just closing Roblox and starting it again. So that's one way of trying, but usually it's just because they are having problems with their game, or or Roblox is having problems. So there isn't really a way to fix it. It just be patient or wait. There aren't really ways to fix it, and when you watch other tutorials, they will probably say the same, or they will do any weird uninstalling trick, or it doesn't help. You just need to be patient because that's how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.